Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create and assign tasks to your spaces on Workona. So let us dive into this. So open up the Workona extension. Let me go with Google Chrome, for example, and access also the tab of, or the space here to the left with your list of tabs that are open here in your browser. So guys, if you'd like to assign or create a task and assign it to these tabs, because they all are part of the same project or project of yours, you may do that by switching from the tabs tab to the tasks tab here and create a new task by clicking into this button in the top right, add shared tasks, or you may click here on the same button. It's basically the same. And that's it. So let me create a new task. Alternatively, guys, there's also that plus button here to the left if you have already a list of tasks here, and you can add a new task by doing it. So no matter which plus button you go with, it will give you the access to this field. So you can give your task a name like task 01 or something like that. And you may edit it by clicking into that pencil icon here, add a description, use these text formatting tools here, add an attachment to the task, and that's it. Click into done here, and that is going to add the task to this space. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.